that I really want to talk about is Notion. Notion is one brand in the B2B space that allows you to be able to build all your thoughts, your intellectual property, all the kind of research you do in one place. It starts really from you building your daily task list and ends with you building an entire product roadmap or an entire marketing roadmap, or for your ability to be able to communicate with with the outside world and share a lot more content and so on and so forth. So think of this as all possible diaries, task lists, all the research that you do, all the Google Docs that you have, all the presentations that you make, all in one place. So imagine you don't need to have anything else on your laptop beyond your Notion. And it really changed the way we collaborated with people. It changed the way we were able to scale our thinking. It changed the way we were able to collect information in one place and then proliferate that and exploit that in the right time. Whenever you're looking for something at any given time done by any of your team members, it's at one place, it's at a click of a button, and it's all possible files and pages to go with. So Notion really changed the way we work. The other one that I'm now exploring with my Kellogg's class is ClickUp. ClickUp was a startup right up to the beginning of 2020. In the middle of 2020, they went really launch. At the end of 2020, they did a Series A, became a unicorn. Think of ClickUp as Slack into Microsoft Teams, into everything possible. And so it's a great productivity tool that allows you to collaborate with people from all across the world, in your team, outside your team. And it's really simple to be able to manage projects, to be able to see where you are on every given day. There is no need to be sync. I think gone are the days where you must call people and say, hey, is this task done? Hey, where are we and what is the status on this? The classic status update meetings or the classic meetings to be able to know where everybody is on a project are really done, right? You can work asynchronously. You can work with a lot of focus. And when you're done, you just, upload what you've done in one place. You tick off what you've done for everybody to know, and you move forward. So really, whether it's ClickUp, whether it's Asana, but collaborative tools like this have changed the way you use your time and how productive you can be on any given day. So those are the two on the B2B side. I think the third one that I'm really excited to see was Clubhouse did a lot of what you call creating classic FOMO. All of us wanted a Clubhouse invite, and I think what they've been able to do for audio conversations, for being able to proliferate a lot of thoughts, to be able to bring the world together on very many different stages and very many different subjects, and to be able to pass information in today's day and age in a very easy manner, right? Neither do you have to write texts and blogs, neither do you have to make expensive videos. You just come in and speak your heart out and connect and have dialogues with so many more people across the world, across so many subjects. Clubhouse does that really well, and that campaign of only referral and only by invite did it for them. It was really cool. So that really inspired me to say, hey, you don't have to do expensive customer acquisition, but if you have a really good product, you can do this in many different. The last one is Discord. Discord is a great community platform. If you're a gamer, then you would know Discord, because you can't be a gamer without being on Discord. And what Discord really does is it allows for people to be able to make conversations with each other as they go on playing their favorite games. And the big thing about closed communities, privacy, and being designed for a certain kind of mindset, did it for Discord. And I think that's another good one to look up.